Hi guys, it's Chris Martin with Convicted Creations, and today I'm here with Brent Gile. He's not only a friend and a foe when it comes to going to jail and being in trouble back in his past, but we also work together. He's my production manager here at Hempfulfarms in Paw Putty. So I wanted to give him a chance to show us a little bit of what he learned on his trip while he was locked up. Hi Brent, thanks for coming, brother.
Thanks for having me.
Appreciate your time. What are we gonna do today?
So we're making a Jailhouse vegan favorite, Pruno, or wine, Jailhouse wine, whatever you want to call it, Hooch.
Small disclaimer, do not drink this stuff for real. This will kill you, just saying.
You go blind.
This is for fun. We're just doing this to show you what some people had fun doing in prison with. So don't take us serious, we're just having fun today. How do we start making hooch in jail?
So you want to have like a base fluid, if you will, so juice, even water will work. And then you want to start using, you know, different breads with yeast in it.
So it looks like all of these items, everything we have up here, none of it looks like it comes from the commissary list. It looks like most of this stuff is going to come out of the chow hall, off of a diet tray.
Trays.
What's in the middle? What is that?
So this is the dried potatoes that you get for the mashed potatoes in the kitchen. So, you know.
So we know that didn't come on the commissary list. There was a little bit of bartering going on. That must have came out of the kitchen somehow. And we use that because of the protein, right? Because of the starch that's going to help us ferment this fruit as we let it let it sit. What do we have there?
A little bit of sugar. You know, you collect these up in little packets, and this is pretty valuable as it's a very versatile product. So we also want to use as much organic stuff that's going to help ferment. So we use peels. Those usually go in the trash, so it's just a way to, you know, recycle and reuse.
This is why you go to prison now and you don't get fruit at all. Just saying.
Because of guys like us. Apples, if you're really lucky, and you get your hands on some grapes.
Yeah, that's rare. That's in the cozy dorm somewhere.
Yeah.
I've never been.
Just get in there and just kind of homogenize everything, if you will.
If you don't have a container like this, I suggest what, a few trash bags?
Yeah, trash bags, whatever you got. Sometimes you can use just these right here, and then, you know, you'll put a little deal on top. You know, the one thing that you got to be aware of is that these are going to burp. They create a lot of gas, and you're going to have to deal with that. You can use this, and you know, you'll hear it. You'll hear like a fart on the cell, and you'll be like, nope, it's just my Pruno. So,
how long does it take before this magical soup is ready to feast?
I'd say you're looking at over a month, maybe even 6 weeks. So that's a long time that you got to hide this from the guards. So you got to get creative.
How do you make it from this to this?
I just used to use T-shirts. As gross as that sounds, I could control how clean it was if it was issued to me.
And then add like some Kool-Aid at the end?
Yeah, add some Kool-Aid and just flavor it.
Beautiful. Yeah. And if you don't filter it,
there's
and
plenty
you're
of
die
guys.
hard, then you go ahead.
There's plenty of guys walking around with these. Stay away from that guy.
Absolutely.
That'll give you the runs.
I want to thank you, Brent, for coming in today, having some fun with us, showing them how to make hooch. Don't make this at home today, kids. Thanks for coming in, brother. I'll see you at work on Monday. I better.
Yeah, of course.
Thanks for coming in and seeing what we do here at Convicted Creations. Had fun making some hooch. Thank God I have Crohn's and can't drink that garbage. Just one last thing. Haters make me famous.